You continue to serve your fellow Filipinos not out of obligation, not out of duty, not dahil trabaho niyo yun, but out of love of country and our shared identity as Filipinos. So for that spirit of fraternity and service, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
With the power invested in me, I vow to not only offer brotherhood and helping hand, but also to offer my innermost sincerity and dedication into a path where our fraternity will not falter but shine throughout the differences that will enable us to reach our fraternal goals, which is service through strong brotherhood. And with that, I am encouraging everyone here present to make time and participation for the betterment of our brotherhood.
Eto na tayo. This is more than friendship. This is family. You spread your wings every day. And by swinging, by opening our wings, ang kumpas natin patungo sa direksyon na kung saan tayong lahat ay nakakatulong, nakakaservisyo sa ating kapwa.
Today is not just a ceremony. Today is take-off day. Hindi lang po kayo in-install sa posisyon, in-install kayo sa responsibilidad. At alam naman natin, mga kuya, mas mabigat ang responsibilidad kaysa sa ceremonial pin. We are strong not because of how many we are, but because of how we stand for one another.
There's a saying that truly captures the spirit of our service. Ang sinabi niya, it is better to be the one who gives than the one who awaits to receive ends up in need. Yung kasi talaga natin sa Eagles, service to strong brotherhood. To the Kumpadres and Yanbu Eagles Club, may you carry this spirit of generosity and service in all your endeavors. Work as one team, support your officers, and always remember that true leadership is shown through service.
As now we call ourselves Kuya, we are guided by our values, which are service through strong brotherhood. These are more than words. They are the principles that shape our character, inspire our actions, and strengthen our commitment to our community.
Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay! Mabuhay tayong lahat! Mabuhay!
God-loving men for country's sake, offer strength and mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're Eagles, spread to all people, pillars of a nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with zeal of human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. We're Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're Eagles, spread to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with zeal of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.